Okay, grade 8. We are to continue solving systems of linear equations in two unknowns. This time we are going to use elimination method. But before that, I would like to have Philippians 3 in verse 12. It says here, "Not that I have already obtained all this, or have already been made perfect, but I press on to take hold of that for which Christ Jesus took hold of me." Okay, elimination method, either addition or subtraction. So what are we going to do first is to write the equations in the standard form, that is ax plus by equals c. And then after that, we have to choose and decide which variable we are going to eliminate. So it is better for us to have an example on the board. So we are going to solve these equations here. For number 1, 2x minus 3y equals 3 and x plus 3y equals 6. So in order to eliminate one variable, in this case we are going to add. So when we add this will cancel out. So that's the purpose of elimination, eliminating one variable. So we cancel that, and this will become 3x, and we add that will be 9. So eliminate also 3 divided by 3, so x will be equals to 3. Now after finding a value for one variable, you can now use substitution. You may use any of the equation given. For example, in equation 2, when x is 3, so 3 plus 3y equals 6. Transpose 3 to the other side. So 3y will be equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. So y will be equals to 1. So y will be equals to 1. There. So the two values are x equals 3 and y equals 1. You will check in the first equation, if x is 3, so 3 there, and y is 1, so this will be 6 minus 3 equals 3. Okay, so number 2, again in here, we are going to add, so that when you add, you cancel 2y, and that will be 8x, and you add, that will be 8. So divided by 8, divided by 8, so x will be equals to 1. So getting one value of variable, you may substitute this in any of the two equations. Supposing we use here, so that will be 3 times 1 plus 2y will be equals to 7. So 3 transpose, so that 2y will be equals to 7 minus 3 is 4 divided by 2 divided by 2. So y will be equals to 2. So the two values of variables, x is 4, 1 and y equals 2. You may check here. So when x is 1, so that is 5, and 2, so that will be 2 times 2 is 4, so 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. Now in number 3, you cannot eliminate if you add, so you are going to subtract. So when you subtract, you change the sign of the subtrahend, so it will be like that. So that you can now add, so that you cancel that. So this will become negative 4x, and that will be 16. So divided by negative 4, divided by negative 4, so x will be equals to negative 4. So that's it. So that x is negative 4 here. So 2 times negative 4 minus 5y equals to 17. So this will be negative 8. So that will be negative 5y. When you transpose negative 8, that will become positive. So 17 plus 8 is 25. So divided by negative 5, divided by negative 5. So therefore, y equals negative 5. Okay. So that's how to use elimination. So for the last one, again, if you are going to add this, immediately you can eliminate y. And you add that will be 2x. And you add that will be 10. So divided by 2, divided by 2. So x will be equals to 5. Okay. So if x is 5 plus y equals 9, so that y will be equals to 9 minus 5 is y equals 4. So you may check also, that is 5 minus 4 equals 1. So that is how to do by elimination method.